Hey, welcome. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what time you're listening to this. Today, I want to talk about losing weight and building muscle. So, do these three things if you want to lose weight and build muscle in 3 months. Okay, 3 months. This can happen. You can lose weight and build muscle at the same time. Okay? I've done it. That's actually my story. So look, do this. 1, lift weights 5 times a week for 3 months. Okay, you want to lift weights. You want to build for hypertrophy. Weights actually puts the most tension. Well, you could argue bands as well, but weights put tension on your muscles, and that's how they will rip, and after they rip, you'll repair them. When you repair them, they get more toned and more firm, more round. So that's how you start looking like you're muscular. Okay, but the key here is to do it for 5 times a week for 3 months. Okay, do this. Trust me. Number 2, eat at 10% below your caloric intake. So you got to find your maintenance calories, then times that times 0.90. All right, it's not much. You'll see that you won't take much from your daily intake. So number 3, do 2 long cardio sessions, meaning do 2 45-minute cardio sessions up to 45 minutes, okay? Hey, welcome to my live. So I'm talking about what to do to lose weight and build muscle in 3 months, okay? 3 months, you can do it. I know you can. Or you can do 2 HIIT cardio sessions. You go up to 15 rounds. Rest only 30 to 40 seconds, okay? And the HIIT cardio, the HIIT session, the session where the part where you really go hard and intense, you want to go up to 1 minute. Okay? So do that up to 15 rounds. So the key here with those 3 practical things that you need to do is be persistent. You know, you're not going to build new habits overnight. It's just not going to happen. And you're not going to get results. You're not going to lose 20, 30 pounds overnight. The muscle's not going to be there overnight. Okay? So you got to look at it like as a journey. 3 months, not that long compared to the lifetime that we have here on planet Earth. So think about it like you're building a statue. When you're getting in shape, think about as you building a giant statue, okay? It's gonna take time. It's gonna take like a plan. It's gonna take preparation. It's gonna take care, right? You gotta do this carefully. You gotta bring all the supplies, all the tools, all the polish, and eventually build that monument, which is your body. You're building it. You're building it with the weights. You're building it with the meals. You're building it with the cardio. All right? So you got to do that for 3 months consistently. Don't stop like, oh, 1 week I didn't do it, or 2 weeks I didn't do it, and I only did it 1 week, I only did 1 exercise, or I only went to the gym twice. No, you got to do it 5 times. 5 times a week. This is if you want to get like amazing results in 3 months, okay? You got to get the workout in. You got to make sure you lift weights. Make sure you're eating at below your maintenance calories. So you're at a deficit, so you're burning some fat, but at the same time, you're building muscle, okay? And 3, do the cardio. The cardio is going to help you accelerate this, okay? It's going to accelerate the fat burning process, all right? And no, it's going to take time. You're going to build new habits. Later on, you're going to be like, I work out 5 days a week like nothing. It's automatic. Just wake up. All right, let's go to the gym. Or like after you get off work, you go to the gym, work out. It's going to be automatic. Okay, because right now you have different habits. And what we do is habits. So I hope this helps. If you want to get a workout program, a customized program for you, I can help you out with that. So you can go for 3 months and you know what to do. You don't got to think about it. Like, you don't got to say, hey, what am I going to work out? What am I going to do? You're going to have what you need, okay? So send me a DM if you want a workout plan or you want coaching or in-person personal training if you live in LA. But yeah, I hope this helps. Apply this. Be consistent. And know that it's not going to happen overnight. You're building this monument, this big structure, right? All right? All right. Much love. I'll talk to you later. Stay strong, stay fit, stay smart. Bye.